as a business owner, you want your website to be easy to navigate. Kind of like walking into a clothing store that's more like a boutique, right? Where it's easy to navigate and easy to find what you need. So let's talk about that. But first, let me introduce myself. I'm Nancy Ganzakoffer. I'm a business coach and body language trainer helping you run a profitable business, one that kind of fits your lifestyle. You enjoy it, you love what you do, and you have enough time for your life. You want to learn to charge your worth, market yourself properly, sell to those who actually need your service. That's what I'm here for. But let's get into talking about your website. So specifically in this video, I want to talk about how to make your website like a boutique experience. And I'm going to tell you a little story, one that I tell my clients. Did you ever go into a clothing boutique, like a smaller store, where you know you're going to get personalized service? At least you hope you are. But right when you go to open the door, can you imagine if there was 4 people standing outside the door and one person said, "Wait, let me tell you about the owner of the store, their entire history and how they came to where they are today." Like, can you imagine someone just literally stands there and tells you all about themselves or the owner of the store? And then the next person comes up and says, "Wait, before you go, let me show you what all the other clients purchased, all the other customers came in and the outfits they put together before they left the store. And oh, wait, before you leave, I want to give you this free thing that could help you go and figure out what style is best for your body." And now you go to reach for that door one more time and they go, "Wait, one more thing. There's a 4th person that just wants to tell you one more thing." And you're like, can you just let me in the door to talk to a person or to get what I came here for? Now, let's apply that story to your website, because I see so many mistakes in websites, and I want to help you create a website that's like a boutique, helpful, easy to navigate, and gets them exactly where they're going right away. Now, the first thing you want to do is definitely make it easy for them to get on your calendar or talk to you or whatever your first level of service is. Is it a 15-minute call? Is it a paid consult? It's okay, whatever it is. That really doesn't matter in this particular scenario. When someone comes to your website, they're usually looking, how do I talk to them or how do I get through to them? So I want your very first step, the thing that you think is most important to your client, front and center. Now, I know it's hard because different clients come to your website for different reasons, but what is the most popular reason? Like, I know in my case, as a business coach, people want to know how to talk to me, right? So we front and center have a talk to Nancy button, right? And then other people come to review the products, the programs, the coaching programs that I have, and we have that all for them too. So what is the primary thing that people come to your website for? Make it easy, make that front and center first. Second, you also want the client to be able to find the products and the services that you sell without any kind of distractions. So that's your second most important thing. Like, do you have a products and services tab or a way for them to get right to what you do? And give a little description. Now, how do you give that description? Give the description from the client's perspective. What it's actually going to do, the result of what they're buying. So if you're a service-based entrepreneur, which you probably are because you're watching me and that's who I coach, how can they utilize your services? Can they see themselves in your services? Meaning, maybe you offer a service model and you can say, who is this perfect for? This is perfect for the person who, and let them see themselves in that product, in that service that you provide. That's going to help them visualize working with you and what you can do for them. And that's very important when they're trying to navigate all these websites and try to figure out who they want to work with. Think about it. If yours says, this is perfect for the person who, blah, 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 and they're like, oh my God, that's me. Don't you think they're going to want to maybe investigate a little further, stay on your website longer and keep bouncing around, or maybe just hit that talk to you button and get on your calendar, which is the goal. So besides making it really easy for them to see how your service models can help them because they're seeing themselves in the service models that you provide, in the struggles that they have that you can solve. You also want to give them some testimonials about other clients that you've worked with and what the result has been. And you want to make sure you don't put long-winded testimonials on your website, but little short snippets that really highlight the different aspects of what you are like to work with and the results you get. So a testimonials page is important, but you can also, even if you have just a few, gather them through your website, right? On every single page, you can have a little testimonial listed. It doesn't have to be just straight down a testimonial page. You can sprinkle them throughout your website so that no matter what page they're on, they're seeing a little something about a happy client from the past. And again, they might see themselves in that client, like I'm like him or I'm like her, and be really eager to hit that talk to you button and get on your calendar. One of the things I didn't plan on talking about in this video, but I'm going to talk about it, is pricing. Should your pricing for your services be on your website? I have a very distinct feeling about this. I have a very distinct point of view on this. If your pipeline is not full, I really don't want your prices on your website. Most professions, service providers we're talking about, should not have their prices on their website until their pipeline is full. Once your pipeline is full and you're like, I can't take any more clients right now, you can dabble with trying to put your prices on your website. But for now, I prefer you keep them off until you can get them on the phone and actually sell them on you, your personality, your service models, and giving them the vision of what it would be like to work with you over the phone, rather than just putting a price out on the website and that price in their head might not feel right for them without understanding the value that comes with it, which is you and your personality and how you're going to help the client in whatever they need from you. But if you just throw a price, let's just say $550 for a consult, they're going to be like, I don't want to do that. I don't even know this person. I'm not going to take that leap of faith just from a website. So if you keep your prices off until you're more well-known and your pipeline is full, it's going to help you get more people on the phone, which is going to help you sell more people into your first level of paid product. Okay, last but not least is I hate pop-ups that pop up as soon as I get on the website. It's like, here, get my free thing. And I can't get rid of it. And I'm trying to get behind it because I want to get to the boutique. I want to get in the door, but now it's popping up in my face. Guess what? Don't do pop-ups when someone first gets to your website. I wouldn't even do pop-ups 10 seconds after they get there. When I think you should do the pop-up, which I do think is effective, is when their cursor is heading for Xing out your page. You can ask your web designer to make the pop-up show up before they exit. And it could be that last ditch effort to get them interested in something you're offering, whether it be free or something paid or getting on your calendar or wait, stop. Didn't you want to talk to me? Here's an easy way to do that. Okay, so don't do the pop-ups in the beginning. Don't do the pop-ups in the middle. If they're going to leave your website, that's when you do the pop-up. So I want you to click below the link, and we have a whole playlist of Website Wednesdays and website wisdoms and all the conversations I've had with web designers in the past, live on YouTube, in my Facebook group, the Interior Design Business Forum, or my Facebook group for coaches and consultants called the Coaching Hotspot. There's a whole playlist about websites, and I'm telling you, if you watch those videos, which are usually 10 to 15 minutes each, you will learn so much about how your website should serve you. I know you'll learn so much about how your website should be set up so it can serve you best. I hope that was helpful today. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell so you'll get notified of new videos. We have some amazing topics coming out to help you grow a profitable business. Talk to you soon. Bye.